Hello and welcome back with another video of mathematics in which we are going to find the value of x, or we are going to solve for value of x in a numerical problem. So we have question x is equal to 2y plus 2 and x square minus 2xy plus 3y square is equal to 4. Here we have two questions. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we want to find the value of x. So how we can do? Let's solve or begin step by step. So in order to get the solution of this problem, we will put the value of x from question number 1 to question number 2. Putting value f of x from equation 1 to 2. So we will replace x with y. So this equation number 2 will become 2y plus 2. In the place of x we are placing this value 2y plus 2 square minus 2y plus 2 into y plus 3y square is equal to 4. So we will open this square. We will write a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this will become 4y square plus 4 plus 2 from formula into 2y into b, 2 plus, minus 2, 2 2s are 4. This will become 4y minus 4y square, 2 2s are 4 and minus 4y plus 3y square minus 4 is equal to 0. So subtracting or adding the like terms we will get. So this 4y square will be cancelled. This will become 4 plus 8y minus 4y plus 3y square minus 4 is equal to 0. This plus 4 will be cancelled and we can see that this will remain 4y plus 3y square is equal to 0. We will take y as common. So this will become 4 plus 3y is equal to 0. So there are two values for y is equal to 0 and 4 is equal to minus 3y, or y is equal to 4 over 3 minus y. So we have value of y we can put in equation number 1. Putting values of y in equation 1 to get x. So x is equal to 2y plus 2, x is equal to 2y plus 2. Here y we have 0, so this will become 0, x is equal to 2. Similarly we have x is equal to y is equal to minus 4 by 3. So x is equal to 2 into minus 4 by 3 plus 2, x is equal to minus 8 by 3 plus 2, and x is equal to 3 minus 8 plus 6, x is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. So these are the two values of x to solve the value of x in this problem. So that's all from this video, and follow for more to find mathematical solutions. Thanks.